In today's video, I am going to teach you how to update Google Chrome. Are you using the latest version? Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Then look in the top right corner of the Chrome window. You will see a small icon with 3 dots stacked vertically. This is the main menu for Chrome, and it contains settings and tools for the browser. Click that 3-dot menu to open the drop-down list. In the menu that appears, find and select Help. When you hover over or select Help, another menu will open to the side with more options. From there, choose About Google Chrome. This page is the key to updating, because simply opening it will trigger Chrome to check for updates automatically. Once you are on the About Google Chrome screen, Chrome will begin looking for the latest version. If an update is available, it will download and install it for you. If Chrome is already updated, you will see a message indicating that you are on the current version. While the update runs, it is best to let it finish without closing the browser. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or a bit longer. After the update is installed, Chrome will prompt you to restart. Go ahead and restart Chrome when you see that option. Once Chrome reopens, the update is complete, and you are ready to browse with the latest fixes and improvements. That covers everything you need to know.